Day 2 of the Thailand International Boat Show, and I am so excited to get going. Yesterday's opening ceremony was kicked off by PM Chinawat herself, and we had the chance to speak to some amazing suppliers. Exhibitors from the Yacht Sales Co., Camper & Nicholson, Northrop & Johnson, aboard the amazing Space Cat yacht. Today we're going to be speaking to even more suppliers, exhibitors, and checking out the lounges. I'm with Richard in Churchill's Cigar Lounge, which smells amazing. Richard, please tell me what you've got going on here today.
We have a cigar lounge in Phuket Town. We do a range of cigars and whiskies, which we're renowned for. We like to come to the show every year. The boat show is all about quality, and cigars pair with that very, very well. People like luxury products to go with their boats, to go with their villas, and cigars and malt whiskies fit in that perfectly. We believe that we add a little bit of extra to the show. This year we brought a cigar roller with us. He's Thailand's only commercial roller. In a minute he'll actually roll a cigar for you.
Amazing, can't wait to see.
All 100% Thai product.
Alongside the exhibition hall, we have an extensive range of local food suppliers, giving you everything from classic pad thais to more exotic tastes. Khop kun ka. So just behind the exhibition hall, we have the beer garden, and here I'm joined by Neo with some awesome options. Tell us about them.
Carabao and Tawandang beer. This is a new Thai beer. We have 5 flavors. This one is a lager beer. This one is IPA from the brewmaster from Netherlands. And this one is a rosé beer for the lady to drink.
Nice.